What's up, YouTube fam? This is Dark Angel's Journey, and this is Shakira, obviously. How y'all doing? So check it out. I want this. I'll try and make this one pretty quick because I wanted to show you this trade setup that I prepped and put an alert in and everything for on ETH. Um, and it's still in progress. Full disclosure, I'm not putting any money behind this. This is demo account on Get. But let's be honest, it makes me feel the exact same way as if I put my actual money in. Why? Because it looks like it's my money going, it's on the platform that I'm working on. So I'm trying to get myself comfortable with the feeling and testing out these different strategies. Um, so quick review, right? So I saw this nice and juicy break. Um, this nice and juicy break. When was this? This happened Monday, right? So that break, I set up um my entry area here. On top of that, we had three nice confluences, right? We had the uh the engulfing candle, I don't know if you can see it. And I actually set up something behind that. But we had this big engulfing candle with the break. Then we had a nice imbalance to go with it. And what looked like a nice Quasimodo, this giant, mean candle, the stop loss hunting candle. Mean. Anyway, so I set an alarm to go off just above 13 and change because I had the supply area was up here. So it went off this morning. And I was like, cool, let me see what's happening, go down into the smaller time frames. And so I think I dropped into like the 2 minute or something this morning. And I was looking for another juicy break. So this break happened right here, nice and juicy. So my thought was to put in, and I'll go back over here, was to put in a limit order at 1298.31, which is which was just around this imbalance here area, somewhere in the middle of it. Yeah, approximately perfect. And then I set my stop loss. So two things happened. One, I'm an idiot. And I didn't put my one ATR above this thing. So sorry, above this thing. So I got stopped out on the first try. And let me show you that here. And then, so that sucked, so that was uh, about a 260 USDT loss on that quick scout. And then I re-entered again at the same spot after this disgusting stop loss hunt. And now it is you know, it went down. It was nice, about a 2.5%. Didn't take it because I'm expecting it to come down um into this next imbalance down here later on. But whew, it is also in an SR flip area, right? So we've had a couple of confirmations here. Oh, sorry, let me get out of this 2 minutes. Why can't I see it? And 1 second, let me turn this off and then I'll set this back up. Okay, good. And I can, we don't need that on for the time being. So, yeah, so that was my entry. So I'm hoping my exit. So, what I'm expecting, and it's sort of playing out at the moment, we'll see if it actually plays out or if it's just manipulation. But my SR flip area, this is an area where price has come in, been rejected once, rejected twice, rejected three times from that area, rejected a fourth time, busted through, and then rejected back up, busted through, came back up and rejected down again. So um honestly, like this could, given the equal, let me take the auto off here, sorry. Given the about that guys, given the, you know, Swing failure up here makes me feel a little bit more comfortable that it might come back down. I could be wrong. What's giving me minor heartburn is this equal lows area down here, which we haven't been able to break since then, right? 1291, 60, 1291, 65. Ah, that's what the color is. Just figured that out. Anyway, so um, then of course they hunted the liquidity down here, took that, they hunted this liquidity, which is this run here, which got me as well, fail. And so we'll see how this plays out. Once it breaks below 12, this 1291.65 stabilizes and continues down, life's like a box of chocolates. So I'm expecting um, it to come down, break it, eat this liquidity, if not all of it, bounce back up, and then continue down. That's my expectation. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And as you can see, we're still chugging along at a ridiculous, but it's just for testing purposes, right? I'm trying to normalize how I enter and exit. Um, Make sure I have a strategy. So my strategy was simple. I got my stuff set up. Previously set my alerts for when price crossed over into the area. Then I went into lower time frames to look for something that might like confirm what my thoughts are on this thing. So the market, of course, can do what it does. It does what it does. It do what it do. But the point is, um, the best you can do, I think, and the best I can do is have enough building blocks to make it useful. Um, and my other question is, it popped back up earlier here, and I had a different consideration for it, and it didn't quite play out. So, let me take that back. Oh, messed up. It did touch it. It was a weak break. Nice drop back down. But we've been on like a little bit of a mini trend on the 15-minute, and it looks like it's trying to break it, but it's still relatively weak. So we'll see how this plays out. I don't have a big lead on this. I'm just expecting 1283.66. And just as a note, guys, still going sideways. Okay? Technically sideways. All right. So make this quick. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Drop your comments on your thoughts on the setup, and hit the like button if you feel like it. Kira out.